Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. You are looking at the smallest 380 in today's market, and this is the Seecamp LWS 380. I've got the LWS 32, really enjoy this. I want to get my hands on this 380. What a great backup choice. I know many people use it as their primary carry. It is so small and so light, it really is unbelievable. All metal frame, polymer grips. It is a hammer-fired gun, and it just tucks away. Doesn't even have sights, but I was able to hit my target no problem with this. You just align it as you would with sights anyways, and it was pretty dead nuts for me. It does have a trigger pull that's a bit heavy, but the overall unloaded weight is 11.4 ounces. So you can see that this thing is really small, really light, excellent backup choice. I've owned the 32 for a while. I really like it. I know you guys do too. And here's the 380. I'm going to try to get my hands on this, show you guys everything it can do. We're going to bring Chris in here to talk more about it.
So how you doing, guys? We're at the Seecamp booth here today. We've got our 25, our 32, and our 380. In particular with our 380, as you can see here, the 380 is the smallest semi-automatic of its caliber in production. There's nothing smaller. It's a little under 14 ounces, fully loaded. It's a double action only pistol. It is hammer fired. The hammer, as you can see, is integral and meshed in with the firearm itself. It's about 11-pound trigger pull. Again, it's very smooth, very clean pull. Not having a mechanical safety of any type, that is our safety. As you can see here, we have it with our extended mag option. It just gives you a little bit more grip space on this very, very small firearm. This thing just kind of drops into your pocket and disappears. Very, very, very easy to carry. As small as it is, it still has a 6+1 capacity, so 6 in the mag, 1 in the chamber. And again, like I said, just tucks away. Barrel length wise, a little bit under 2 inches. It is solid stainless steel. It's 400 series stainless. And it is all hand finished and hand polished, which leaves for a very, very nice, very elegant look. New this year, we're also offering now for production. We have all of our models, including the 380, now available with a black nitride finish. Again, just kind of gives you a little bit of a more subdued look, and just all around a great option. So going down the line, MSRP wise, our 25 and 32, the retail on that is $510, and then on our 380 it's $595. Makes it right in line with a lot of other firearms. It's just a great option for self-defense and carry.
So there it is, the LWS 380. Cool little gun. Here's it in black. This one's in 32, but I really like the way this one looks as well. Seecamp, very nice pistols. I sure enjoy mine. I think you guys would like it as well. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.